Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright guys, check it out. Behind me, I got a 2014 Volkswagen Beetle. It might be, at this point, it might be the Super Beetle. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, customers complaint, crank, don't start. So here we are, we're going to check that out. Coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, we got the key. Let's go in here. That's a clean little car. Alright, let's see. Where's the bar? Okay, here we go. Start button. Sounds weird, huh?
It sounds like it doesn't have compression.
It sure did spin over, kind of.
It sure did.
How many miles up here?
I think you have to put it on. Welcome to your Beetle.
Yeah, welcome to your Beetle. Oh no, that's set.
Oh my God, he's messing with her clock.
What the heck, man? Where the mileage at? Some little biscuit, man. These cars, man, just...
You probably have to close the door. You need to step back?
Let me close the door. Let me see. Man. I don't know why I listen to Sylvia. Tell me to close the door. She just wanted me to get out her face.
You figured me out.
All right. Let's listen to one more time. Oh, heck yeah. Okay, stop.
You gotta stop it. Oh my gosh.
You know what, guys? We're gonna do us. We're gonna go cut past everything. I do not like the way this sound. Let's go do a compression test, and we're gonna figure out how to check the mileage on it. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, we got it.
What is this? We got it.
We got it
for you.
We got it. We're in this together. They can't see that.
Of course not. It's blurry. I'm trying, but at any rate, there it is. 81,000. Wow.
This car got any mile. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, first thing we're gonna do is pull off this cover right here. This cover just held on by 4 little grommets, and that's all we have to do. Pull it up. All right, let's put this to the side. We'll be right back. All right, guys, let's do this one since it's easiest to get to. First thing you want to do is unplug it. Now, unplug these things are very finicky. You can break these off in a heartbeat. So what you want to do to get these nice and easy, I know you guys are like, finally, somebody to show me how to get those plugs off without breaking that tab. What you got to do, guys, is push the connector to the component and then back up that tab just a little bit and then unplug it. That's all you got to do, guys. Let's get that unplugged and put that to the side. All right, the next thing we're going to do is look around. Got a 10mm deep, 3/8 drive ratchet, and you want to take off this 10mm nut up here. Now, that's kind of loose. This 10mm nut is going to this wire. You know, each coil, as you can see, each coil has it. That's the ground for that coil. That ain't on. That thing is loose. This thing will not even fire that coil. But this thing sounds like it got no compression. It's got nothing to do with what's going on. Take off the ground wire. Then use your same 10mm deep. Yeah, that was tight. Dang it. take off this stud right here. So let's take that out and we'll be right back. All right, guys, then you want to hold your coil back, hold the connector back, and oh my goodness. Holy cow, man. What the heck? What's wrong with these people? All right, let's put this coil to the side. We're going to be using, and you can use a 12-inch 3/8 drive extension with a 5/8 deep or 16mm deep 3/8 drive, or get your spark plug socket. Go down there, my 3/8 drive ratchet, and let's take that plug right out of there. Be right back. All right, guys, being that I use a deep socket with no kind of magnetism or whatever grommet rubber boot inside, now I'm going to use this little rubber hose, and I love using this, man. Put that in there. Yeah, that plug, it is wet. There is gas getting down there. All right, so let's go get our compression gauge, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got our compression gauge here. Screw this part down in there. All right, then we're gonna have, matter of fact, guys, what I'm gonna do, let's get a jump box up here so we don't lose, we'll kill the battery. So let me get the jump box, hook it up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got our jump box hooked up to it. 1,000 peak battery, 500 regular. All right, I'm gonna cut this on. Now what I'm gonna do, guys.
You have to read it.
Yeah. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and crank the engine. We're gonna see what we got.
I said 0.
I ain't cranked the engine.
Oh, okay.
All right, ready?
Yep. About 100.
Huh?
100.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
But it don't sound like it.
It didn't. Let's try that one more time, man. Oh, you know how to reset it?
Yes, but I'm not touching it.
All right, guys, let's try that again. It should be a lot higher though. All right.
Oh, hold on. Let me focus. Okay. That was it? 0.
Oh.
What are you doing? Your jumper's no good.
This crummy jumper, man, come on. It's reading low too. But it was cranking over a minute ago.
Yep. So much for 1,000 amps.
Yeah, so
whatever.
much.
1,000 peak. Peak what? Now what?
Nothing. Not a dang on thing. All right, we're gonna have to try something. All right, guys, we'll be right back. All right, guys, you're gonna find this kind of funny. You guys remember the video series we did on Jimmy Dancy's car, right? The BMW.
We ever said his last
Yeah,
name.
I did. Oh, well, I said it now, didn't I? Jimmy had that problem with the BMW with advanced auto parts batteries. Now you notice we had to put this on a jumper, and check this out. The jumper went dead. So what we did, I took out one of the batteries of our truck. Now this is 950 cranking amps, but couldn't get really get a good connection on it. So I wanted to test the battery with our Autel. Now let's check it out. Now we're going to connect this up. You guys are going to find this real funny. Now, before I continue, this is a new battery. Car sat for 5 days. Battery went dead, but you know that's not long enough for a battery to go dead. Customer took it to Advanced Auto Parts store. They charged it up 24 hours. But even after the charge, the guy stated it still wasn't where it's supposed to be. And I'm gonna assume that he mean the cranking amps. But so she wanted a new battery, would not give it. But this is the funny part: the guy was not there who sold her the battery, so they couldn't give. I'm asking the customer right now, but they couldn't. So they couldn't help you. They couldn't give you another battery.
They told me it was a good battery.
They told her it was a good battery, even though it didn't measure out to what it was supposed to be. They told her it was a good battery. So now, guys, we're gonna check this battery out, and you guys know how we check this out. All right. Can you see the screen?
Pick it up a little bit. Like stand there. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to go over to battery test. Battery's measuring out 11.9 volts. Now, if you stop at this point right now, you're going to say, yeah, that's a good battery. It's holding 12 volts. But we're not looking at it. We're looking for the cranking amps. How many cranking amps this battery can hold when that starter turns over. So that's what we're going to be testing. And remember, did I show them what this one is? Well, over here, just in case, 650. So we're going to hit OK to start it. Regular battery, cold cranking amps, and we're going to bring it up. It's 650. We're going to bring it up, give it the benefit of the doubt. We're going to go at 660. Hit OK to test it. Replace battery. Now this is the funny part, guys. Look at this. This battery only measures that it can put out 80 cold cranking amps. That's it. That's what it's rated at right now. And it's supposed to be, we got it at 660. So we definitely got another issue with Advanced Auto Parts and their batteries. So I wanted to crank it again to get another compression reading. I'm gonna see if I can get the jumper cables to connect right. So we're back. All right, guys, here we are. All right, guys, you're going to have to take my word for this. I know that's going to be kind of difficult, but we did do a few compression tests. Now, here's the weird part. Sometimes it went like 60, then it went down to 0 PSI. Then it went up to 90, then it went back down to 0 PSI. And you might be like, Tim, you're lying. There's no way a car can do that. Yes, it did it. And you're going to hear the customer's voice to verify this. Am I right when saying that? But
that's correct.
You heard the customer. She said, that's correct. Guys, unbelievable. Could not figure this out for the life of me. So me and the customer was talking because the only thing I can understand, if I asked her, I said, now I can see if you haven't changed the oil in a long period of time. I can see that happening, especially when the timing chain tensioner is worked by oil pressure. So she said no, she just had it done at Citco. Now before that, she always had it done at Volkswagen dealership. You said that? Volkswagen dealership usually?
No, that was the first time I had this.
Citco.
Citco was the first.
And before that?
Before that, I bought the car.
Oh, so you haven't had it this long?
I haven't had
it.
Okay, she haven't had it. So she went to Citco, had the oil change done. Now, guys, you know, this is a turbo vehicle. So you know the oil in this should be, and you see in our videos on this, 5W40, and especially got to be synthetic. So here's our receipt over here, and I folded it to not show her information. This is a weird receipt now. We got an oil change that was $38.85. We have a full service oil change of $36.99. We go down, we got 5W30 Citco bulk oil. And guys, you know what that means. That's bulk oil. That's out of them 55-gallon drums. That's the cheapest oil you can possibly get. And what's weird about it, they got quantity 5.80. I'm going to assume that's how many quarts it took. But look at
like a lot, right, for a little Beetle?
Yeah, I think this is only 5 quarts, 4.9 or something. But look at the price, guys. Look what they put. They put $2.40.
For the oil?
So you got $36.99 for the oil change, $2.40 for the oil, $39.95. It's right there, add it up. And then at the manager, it's funny how they got it. Managers $39.39, but manager's discretion, he took off $3.
Why?
I don't know. At the manager's discretion, he took off $3. Anyway, so now we got an issue here, guys. Now we got a car that has compression sometimes and sometimes zero. I mean, absolute zero. Never had a problem. How long you had this car?
This past summer.
So last year?
Yeah, last year.
Okay, so last year she bought the car. Never had an issue with the car at all. None. Got the oil change. Hold on, guys. Let me see something here. Let me back up here. 10-5-219.
10-5-219 is the, but I bought it sometime during the summer months.
Right.
So
how many miles were on it? Does it say?
Mileage.
78. So it's only less than 3,000 miles ago.
So
Or about 3,000 miles.
3,000 miles. Oh, wrong. I got the wrong. I hold up the wrong way. All right. So, what would cause us to have compression and then have compression zero sometimes? The first, I got a feeling it's got to be something with this oil first. We got to go with this. We got to get this oil out of here. Got to put it in the 540 synthetic because I got a feeling something's not right here. And if we don't get in compression after that, then we're going to have to take off this timing cover. So this is going to be interesting. Also, what we're going to be doing, we got to take out the battery. The customer's going to take it back down to advance. And she's going to ask them, give me a new battery. Stop charging it up because it ain't working. Give me a new battery. So that's where we are. So definitely part 2 is going to be fun. All right, we'll be right back.
All right, so today we had a 2014 Volkswagen Beetle with a 2.0 turbo. And, well, you guys saw the issue with it, and you also saw what we're about to do. So, I don't think we're going to do a video on the oil change, but we'll do the video what happens after the oil change, right? Is that correct?
Yeah, I mean, it'll be the same video, though, but we're just not going to record the oil change.
Correct. Alright, so if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.